Hello everyone, I'm going to show you today what I got for Prime Days. What do you call them? Prime Days on Amazon, where you go on Amazon, you go on the Amazon app and you get everything that's on sale for Prime Day. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. Let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start with the biggest item, which is my iPad. I usually just re-up on like makeup or like skincare, but I wanted to get an iPad and I got the new iPad. Look at it, it's so cool. I got the iOS 26. It is the A16. I did get a pencil. It's a knockoff brand pencil and you click on it, it turns on. So I just got the knockoff pencil and I got the case for it. I got the pink glittery case for it, and my iPad is a pink color. It matches me. It's so cute. So yeah, so I really wanted to get an iPad. I wanted to get one like a year ago. No, I didn't want to spend so much money, and then this year, this September, they actually, like, Apple did a thing where they brought out more iPads that are more affordable. This was $279 on sale on Amazon for Amazon deals. I don't know how much it is now, but it was less than $300, so I thought it was a pretty good deal, and it has 128 gigs of memory. It does not have AI on it though. Like, it doesn't have the Apple AI, which is totally fine with me. But yeah, I finally have an iPad. I've never had an iPad before. I'm so excited. All of the links to everything are going to be linked down below in the description box. If you are interested, you can go ahead and go to the description box. You can go ahead and shop around. I'm going to number them in the order that I show you everything. So first was the iPad, second was the little pencil, then I got this protector. I love it that it's so glittery and you could still see it. So sparkly. Ooh. I also got another case for the iPad. This one is with a keyboard. So this one you do have to charge USB-C. I did get it in the same pink color as the iPad, so it can just match. Everything is still together. And this one has the keyboard itself. You have to charge the keyboard because this one, it does light up. So the keyboard itself lights up, which is pretty cool. And I like it because it's like a velvet material and it's super thick. So I do like this one. I also got a screen protector for the iPad. This is just the glass one. I haven't put it on, so I'm gonna put it on. And I got strip lights, LED strip lights. These were on sale too. They're normally like over 20, 30, 40, some run up to $50. I found this one for like less than 15 during the Prime season sale. So I got this and it goes up to 100 feet and then you can change the little colors on it. I'm gonna set it up in my room so we can do more shorts and stuff. That way I can post more shorts and it's more aesthetically pleasing other than my filming room. So I'm excited about that. Now let's get into the good stuff, which is the skincare and the makeup of what I got for Prime Days. Okay, we did get the Medicube toner pads. I got two of these because they were on sale for $15-ish, and I think they come with 70 pore pads. This will last you like 2 months, 2.5 months, if that, if you don't use it every single day. Oh, this is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Look at this. It is huge. It is the Medicube pore pads. Oh, it has little pinchers on it, so you can pinch and grab the product. Okay, I'm not gonna open it up. I'm gonna keep it. That is the Medicube pads. I've heard so many good things about it. They're going super viral all over the socials, so I got those. I got the Tier makeup setter. I was gonna get the foundation, but I still have foundation and I didn't want to re-up on it. I'll just wait till the spring season because I think it'll last me until the spring season because I do rotate my foundations a lot. So I did get the setting spray. I have not tried this. This is supposed to be long-lasting blurring effect, moist. Does it say moist? It says moist finish, so I'm guessing it's supposed to be like a dewy finish. Doesn't really have a smell. It's very refreshing. Even though it's October right now, it is like 90 degrees where I live in Southern California, and it rained today, so it's like nasty outside and like humid. It's gross. I got some hair oil. This is how it came packaged. I got 2 packs of hair oils. These are hair capsules. You literally just break them up and you put them in your hair. I put them on after the shower. These are by Bali Secret. They're by Bali Secret and they are hair vitamins. They have vitamin A, C, E, and B5. And they have Moroccan oil, macadamia oil, and avocado oil. And I love these things so much. They're usually around $20. For the sale, they were like 7 something. So that is what I got for my hair. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This is in the color 315N. This is my favorite foundation of all time. I'm using it today. It leaves a nice natural dewy finish. I've been using this for a couple years. It's like my tried and true foundation. I love this so much. It's so beautiful, and it comes with a pump. So highly recommend it if you want to try a new foundation. I recommend looking into this. I got the D'Alba moisturizer, which I freaking love this. This is probably my 4th or 5th one that I've repurchased. This is white truffle double serum and cream. So what I love about this is that it has both a serum and a cream on it. The serum is very gel-like, so I like to put the serum for the day and the cream at night. And it works beautiful under skin, like especially if you're oily. I recommend putting the serum on so it makes you be not super oily under there. And what I like about it is that it also has a little thing so you can go ahead and basically grab your stuff, you know, your creams. And that is the cream right there. You can barely see it because it's white, but it is a jelly and the cream, and it smells good. Oh, fun fact, guys, I have the COVID right now, the big bug, you know. I got it like 6 days ago, and like it still sucks, and I'm filming right now, and I don't know how I'm doing it, but you know, the DRUGS are kicking in right now. Also with D'Alba, we got a serum spray. I love this thing. I literally use this religiously before I go to bed, when I wake up, before I do my makeup, after I do my cleanser. Like, I love this thing so much. So this is a serum spray. It is separated, as you could see, and then you shake it up and it mixes the serum with the moisturizer in there. It's supposed to hydrate and nourish the skin, and it is with white truffle. It is with white truffle, as you can see, and it just, you can use this also as like a makeup setting spray. Oh, and it's so nice. So freaking nice. I love this thing. And then last couple products are all Medicube. So they had this bundle, this 3-piece bundle for like $40-ish, which was pretty good because usually one little thing is like $20 to $30. So I got the PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. This is the one that's going super viral on the socials, where girls put it on their face and it's like pink serum dripping on them. That's this one. So that is the Medicube Pink Peptide Serum. See how it's dripping pink? It doesn't have much of a scent. It is from Korea. It says for external use only, discontinue use if irritation occurs. Apply appropriate amount after washing your face. So a cute little serum. So I will definitely use that. Then we got the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream, which I was super interested for this because sometimes I need like a lightweight cream for the day. My D'Alba, I love that thing, but sometimes it's at my boyfriend's house, or like it's like in a carrier somewhere and I forget it. So I don't always have cream on like site creams. This is how it looks. It's a very pretty pink packaging. It had a spatula on there. It was like on here. It was on top, which I kind of wish they would have put a smaller spatula, but whatever. Okay. And then that is, ooh, it's very pink. It looks like jello, like strawberry jello. It doesn't have much of a smell. It's so jiggly. Very moisturizing. It absorbs very quickly. Very quickly it absorbs. So that's nice. And then last but not least, we got the Medicube sheet masks. These are the ones that go pink to clear. They have PDRN Pink Collagen Gel Mask. It has niacinamide in it. Directions after cleansing. Put it on, whatever. It's 1 to 3 hours. So I think this is the one where it's supposed to go clear. So again, this was trending all over, super viral. So yeah, so that was everything that I got for the Amazon Prime Day sale haul. Let me know what your favorite item was that I got. Everything will be linked down below in the description box if you do want to get it. So yeah, so thank you so much for coming. My name is Selly. If you haven't been here, welcome. I like to do a lot of haul videos, a lot of unboxings, makeup tutorials, a little bit of everything. So if you do like that type of style, types of vibes, go ahead and subscribe, like the video before you leave, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.